Welcome back, and now let's talk desserts. Kia Hollenburg may have only been dazzling dinners at Bistro 1860 in Louisville, Kentucky for just a few months, but her decadent desserts and amazing appetizers have gotten her notice on a global scale. Hollenburg, 24, was just awarded the title of 2014's Best Garde-Manger Chef. Judges of the international competition were wowed by her eclairs, deconstructed cheesecakes, and fresh oysters. One judge, however, died of happiness after trying her pot de crème. The world has definitely taken note of this talented young chef. Je t'aime, bébé.